seem to be quite a few San Jose's. So these bags came out on carousel number 3. So there's flight number 2584 to San Jose, 2760. Austin 1209, you are on carousel 2. Austin 1209, please grab your bag from carousel 2. Claim your item.
Oh, by the way, you know when I asked them for my refund today, they said
Baby is 1282 on 4. After baby is 1282 on 4, please clear those bags. Make way for flight.
About an hour and 10 minutes.
Folks, those of you waiting patiently in fact waiting for cancel flight 347 bags from Oakland and Phoenix 776. Those bags are going to be dropped at Carousel 4. Oakland 3471 and Phoenix 776 will be dropped at Carousel 4. Thank you.
That's the important one.
here's another. Yeah.
Come here, Abigail. Just come here with me. Okay. Should I go see if I can get her a wheelchair from here, Dad? Should I go?
It's one of my.
Southwest Airlines is paging the following passengers for flight 1527 with service to Sacramento, looking for Sandra Maffei, William King, Kulani.
Christmas was just ruined. This was the worst Christmas ever. I wish it was not like this. The flight from Phoenix got delayed by 7 hours, then they canceled my flight from Phoenix to Houston, so I'm here stuck at the airport. They were supposed to get my luggage back. I've been looking since last night. Luggage is nowhere to be found, and just stuck here. You know, I mean, thousands of people have been stranded, flights canceled, and airport, the personnel don't have an idea. Whenever you ask them what's going on, they said, we don't know.
What happened here today? Our son very kindly dropped us off so we could get our flight back to Phoenix. And everything's been canceled. And we're not very happy. I don't know. They said they could get us out tomorrow night at 10. That's not good.
Yeah, what does that mean for you guys? Where are you going to stay? What are you going to
Well, we're going to sleep on the floor, I guess. Can we press charges through you?
Right here. Yeah, I was just going to introduce. That has kind of moved on to include some challenges with our flight crews being stuck in locations not where they need to be along with the aircraft. You know, at this point, we're working to accommodate our customers as best we can and offer the most options that we can to get folks back home or to their vacation spots or holiday celebration spot at this point. You know, we're trying to work the lines as quickly as possible to offer folks the options to get them to a hotel, whether they need a ride service, a bus, a shuttle. This is the main focus right now, is to try to take care of our customers as quickly as we can and get them out of this line and with their loved ones or somewhere where they can get some rest. It's obviously been a very long week with the storm, so that's our primary concern.
Right here.
Yeah, I was just going to introduce.
Right here.
Yeah, I was just going to introduce.